So I'm going to talk about passive income, why it is so important, and how I make $2,618 per month, or $87 per day, or $5.26 per hour, 24 hours per day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. I'll be breaking down what exactly passive income is and exactly why passive income is so important. But before we jump into that, let's go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you want to learn more about this and put out more videos and get notifications just like this. All right, let's jump right into the video. So this is why passive income is so important. The chances are you're trading your time for dollars. If it's not time, then it's going to be your knowledge, your resources. Something is going to be traded for dollars. And the reason why I like passive income so much and why it is so important is because it breaks this cycle. It breaks having to trade your time for money. Instead, you're going to be using your money to make more money, or you'll be using some sort of action up front that's going to build some passive income down the road. And so basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be putting in a lot of effort up front for certain types of things, and then that effort is going to continue to snowball and build money and build more wealth down the road from there. So this is so important because the fact is, if I am making passive income on a daily basis, it doesn't matter what I do. I could choose to go to the beach, or I could go to the movie theater. And during that time, I will still be making money no matter what I am doing. And so this is a really great concept to really internalize and try to make it happen for yourself, because the moment you can pay for your living expenses, you can basically be living for free while also making money. So let's jump right into how I make $2,618 per month, or $87 per day. This is exactly how it breaks down. So the first thing that makes up most of my passive income is going to be rental property income. This is coming from a rental property that I have that is a townhome that we rented out and is now cash flowing approximately $500 for us every month. So this $500 is calculated from our cost after we have established everything from our interest and taxes to the property management fees, everything like that. We are netting $500 per month. All right, so the next thing that goes into my passive income for a monthly basis is going to be paying down my mortgage in equity. I'll be paying down $1,093 per month. That is going into equity into the home, and that I will be able to pull out eventually down the road if I were to sell or to cash out refinance. All right, next is going to be through the stock market, specifically into index funds that I invest in with M1 Finance. I am making $261 quarterly, and that equates out to $87 per month. And this is what I basically will be investing into: a total stock market index fund, as well as a few other small little funds that diversify myself out so that I'm not too heavy into one particular fund. Now, I do branch this out into 5 different funds, and the majority of it is going to be into the total stock market index fund, but there is a few others that kind of get into the total market on the international side, as well as some a little bit more dividend heavy funds. Now, you can also take in consideration that this will be growing, but this does not count as passive income in my book right now. And so for right now, we're just going to focus on the dividends that accrue from this fund. Now, I wasn't even going to put this next one on there, but my savings account, we do make about 20 cents per month off of this. It has drastically changed, where I used to use the Amex high yield savings, and I was receiving about 3% in interest from that, and I no longer get that. It's now below 1%. And so it's not even worth really mentioning, but in the future, if it does ever go back up and we have a little bit higher interest rates with the high interest savings accounts, then that is definitely an option that you can look at for 3 to 4% interest on your savings account. Now, the next one is going to be a crypto savings account, and I specifically use BlockFi for this, and I have Bitcoin and Ethereum both in there, and they are both bringing in about 3 to 4% on my amount that I have in that particular savings account. Now, they are only giving me this 3 to 4% up to a certain amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum held in the BlockFi, and so I am basically have that exact number out there to get the max interest rate, and I'm not adding any more. But they do pay me out in Bitcoin and in Ethereum, so that could potentially go up down the road. And I make $28 through this crypto savings account. All right, the next one is going to be a TSP match that my workplace gives to me. They will be matching 5% of my base pay every single month if I were to put that into my Roth account. And so I put 5%, which is $309 per month, and they give me $309 per month to put into a traditional account. So this is basically free money that I don't have to do anything for, and it's 100% return on my money if I just put and invest 5% in every single month. And so you should never, ever, ever not take advantage of something like this if your workplace offers this. If they're going to do any type of matching, you should always be maxing out the matching as much as possible. Okay, and the last one is going to be through Airbnb. I make about $601 per month on my Airbnb. I'm not doing it full time. Most of the time, it's mostly just the weekends and a few times throughout the week that we are not here at the house. But overall, $601 that I passively make just by putting some new sheets on and renting it out on Airbnb. So overall, that is how I make $2,618 per month passively, not doing anything and just allowing that money to come in every single day. Now, I hope this video is all about showing you exactly what is possible when making passive income. I don't want you to take it and think that it's some sort of brag that I make this much money every single month, not doing much. But I think you should take this as a way to look into getting some ideas to building your own passive income and building up little and little and little until the point where you no longer have to trade your time for money. Now, I do want to note that this above does not take in consideration our ebook earnings as well as our YouTube, where I do believe that both of those right now are considered more like a job where we have to put more time into it than passively gain money on that. But I do think in the future that the YouTube video as well as our ebooks will turn into passive income as they continue to bring in some more evergreen money. So I hope this video did give you some good ideas to start moving forward with your passive income. There's so many more out there that I am not utilizing right here that you can take advantage of, and you should definitely look into those for ways to increase your passive income down the road. Now, I will be putting out another video in the coming weeks that's going to talk about other passive income ideas that you can utilize, make it a lot easier for you to start building that monthly passive income so that it can start to replace your monthly income from your job. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, we want to remind you that we are here from your first penny to your first million. See you next time.